See, in the previous class, we have started advance payments from customers. So we have done the configuration setting, right? Then end user transactions, advance receipt posting, F-29. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DZ. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Under customer. Account is 2276. Special G indicator A. Under bank, account is 2,101. Business area SSKV. The amount is 1 lakh. Let me check what is the amount I have given the example. The 1 lakh only. The amount is equal to 1 lakh. Text to be in. Advance received from customer. Text to be in. Advance received from customer. Click on enter. The amount is as this. Business area SSKV. Text plus. Click on save. Now let us display the document. See, SBI current account is debited, right? Then Rahul and company, customer account is credited. Here, posting key 19, credit for customer for special GL transaction. And special GL indicator is A, means posting key 19A, credit for customer for advance payment, right? Write down there. Posting key 19. Credit for customer for special GL. Special G indicator A. Special G indicator A represents advance. So posting key 19A. Credit for customer for advance. Now look at this thing. Here the customer is credited towards advance payment. Advance payment means special business transaction. So for every special business transaction posted in accounts receivable, the special GL account is updated in the general ledger. That is advance from customers, right? If you click on the general ledger view, you can see that advance from customers account is debited. So the entry that is posted in SAP is bank account data to customer account, right? So this customer credit will update advance from customer's account, reconciliation account. Clear? Then check party account, FBL 5M. Customer is 2276. Company code SSKV. Select to open items. Open key date 18/10/2022. Under type, select to special GL transactions. Layout is one SAP. Click on execute. Under the special GL, there is one open item. So how can we say that this is the advance payment received? Document type, these are payment from customer, right? Incoming payment, right? And special G indicator A means this incoming payment is towards advance. Then sales invoice posting, F-22. So we received the advance, we delivered the goods, and we are posting the sales invoice. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DR. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Posting key 01. The account is 2276. Customer account. Click on enter. The amount is 1 lakh. See, again, the system is giving one message that 1 lakh down payment exists. So when you are posting the invoice to any customer, if the down payment is already exist, the system will give this message. Business area SSKV. Payment terms 001. Baseline date 18/10/2022. Text to be in goods sold. Posting key 50. The account is 3 lakh, sales account. Click on enter. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Text to place. Click on save. Let us display this document. See, posting key 01, debit for customer, right? Then sales account is credited. So the customer is debited towards the sales. Sales means normal business transaction. So for every normal business transaction posting, the account receivable, the normal reconciliation account, Sunday debtors account is updated, right? So click on general ledger. You can see that Sunday debtors account is updated in the general ledger. Then, so the entry that is posted in SAP is for sales, right? Customer account data to sales. So this customer debit will update Sunday debtors account. Then check party account, customer line item display, FBL 5N. Customer account is 2276. Company code SSKV. Select to open items. Opened key date 18/10/2022. Under type, select to special GL transactions. Layout is on SAP. Click on execute. See, under the special GL, there is 1 lakh credit to open item. Okay. Then click on back arrow. Select to normal items. Click on exit. See, under the normal items, there is 1 lakh debit to open item. There is 1 lakh debit to open item. So here, in the same customer account, normal business transactions and special business transactions. These are two segments in the same customer account, right? So in the normal business transaction, assuming that advance is 50,000, right? So in the special business transactions, there is 50,000 credit, right? But in the normal business transactions, there is 50,000 debit. So at one place of customer account, there is debit. At another place of same customer account, there is a credit. That means the advance is to be transferred to invoice account. The advance is to be transferred to invoice. This is what I told you, right? SAP displays the line items separately for normal business transactions and special business transactions, right? Now, if you go to account balances, FD10N. See, in the account balances also, you have the two tabs, balances tab and special general ledger tab. In the balances tab, right, you have normal balances 1 lakh debit rate. If you click on the general ledger, there is credit. See, the summary of the account is 0, but in the special general ledger, there is 1 lakh credit, right? But in the normal general ledger, there is 1 lakh debit. So the advance is to be transferred to invoice. So the next step is transfer of advance to sales invoice, F-39. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is equal to DA. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. See, document in DA means we are not posting the invoice and we are not posting any incoming payment. But we are doing some adjustment internally in the customer account, right? That's why customer other document, DA. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Under customer, account is 2276. Invoice reference is 6,05,000. Text being advance transfer to invoice. Click on process down payments. See, available amount of advance is 1 lakh. Transfer posting is also 1 lakh. Write down. When the invoice amount is equal to advance amount, then we transfer the total amount of advance to the invoice. Okay, click on. Now let us display this document. See, Rahul and company account data to Rahul and company means customer account data to customer, right? Here, write down posting key 09. Posting key 09. Debit for customer for special GL. Posting key 09. Debit for customer for special GL. Special GL indicator here represents advance. So posting key 09A represents debit for customer for advance transfer. Posting key 16. Credit for customer for payment difference. Credit for customer for payment difference. Look at this. Here, when we receive advance from the customer, right? Customer account is credited. Now we have transferred the advance to invoice. So that credit balance is to be cancelled. That's why it was debited. That means this customer was debited towards the special GL transaction, right? For every special GL transactions posted, the system will update the special GL account in the general ledger. See, advance from customers. Then similarly, when you sold the goods to customer, right? Customer account is debited. Now, when you transfer the advance invoice, the debit balance in the customer account has to be cancelled. So, to cancel the debit balance, it has to be credited. So, this customer is credited towards sales invoice cancellation, right? Sales invoice means normal business transaction. For the normal business transactions posting, the system will update the normal reconciliation. That is sundry debtors. See, sundry debtors is credited. So the entry that is posted in SAP is customer account debit to customer. This customer debit will update advance from customer's account, and this customer credit will update advance sundry creditors, sundry debtors account. Then check particle. Not this one, this one. Check party account, FBL 5N. Customer account is 2276. Company code SSKV. Select to open items. Opened key date 18/10/2022. Under type, select special GL transactions. The word special is missing in the material. Please add it. Select special GL transactions. Layout is on SAP. Click on execute. See, under the special GL, there is no any advances. Then select to normal items. Click on execute. See, under the normal items, there are two open items. First one is invoice, debit to open item. The next one is advance transferred, credit to open item, right? You know, in the line item display of vendor and customer, whenever sum of the credit to open items is equal to sum of the debit to open items, we can clear them, right? Observe the document status, right? Continue this point here. In the customer line item display, when some of the debit to open items is equal to sum of the credit to open items, we can clear them in update 32. That is the next step. Clearing of normal item, update 32. Account is 2276. Click on process open items. Double click on both the line items. Console. Now, check party account again. FBL 5N. Customer account is 2276. Company code SSKV. Select to open items. Open key date 18/10/2022. Under type, select special GL transactions. Click on execute icon and observe the document status. There is no any open items. Then select normal items. Click on execute. Observe the document status. So here we have selected normal items and special GL transactions, right? So there is no any open items, either invoices or payments. So here, in this case, we have seen that advance amount is equal to invoice amount, right? But we will see other scenarios also. Sometimes invoice amount may be more than the advance amount. Sometimes advance amount may be more than the invoice amount. We will see both the scenarios. First, we will see when the invoice amount is more than the advance amount, right? So invoice amount is more than the advance amount. So let us post our advance first. F-29. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DZ. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. Sorry. Period 7. Currency INR. Under customer, account is 2276. Special GL indicator A. Under bank, account is 2,101. Business area SSKV. Amount is 50,000. Text being advance received. Click on enter. Amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Now, invoice is more than the advance amount, right? So let us post one invoice with the amount more than advance. Posting of sales invoice, F-22. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DR. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Posting is 01. Account is 2276. Click on enter. Amount is 60,000. Business area SSKV. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 18/10/2022. Text being goods sold. Posting is 50. Account is 3 lakhs. Click on enter. Amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Expenses. So we posted invoice amount 60,000, advance 50,000, right? Now, transfer of advance to sales invoice, F-39. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DA. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. currency INR, under customer account is 2276. Invoice reference is 6,06,000. Within brackets, invoice document number. Invoice document number. Next being advance transfer to invoice. Click on process down payments. Transfer posting is 50,000. Transfer posting is 50,000. Write down there. Then the invoice amount is more than the advance amount. When the invoice amount is more than the advance amount, then we transfer the total amount of advance to the invoice. Then it will be shown as credit to open item in the customer line item display. In the customer line item display. When the customer pays, the remaining amount of advance, remaining amount of invoice. When the customer pays the remaining amount of invoice, it is posted in F-28. It is posted in F-28 using partial payment method. Then the remaining amount also, is shown as credit to open item in the customer line item display. Full stop. And also the sum of the credit to open items, within brackets, advance transferred, and the part payment received. Brackets close. Will be equal to debit to open item, within brackets invoice, sales invoice. Then we can clear them. Then we can clear them in F-32. Okay, click on save. So invoice amount is 60,000 and advance amount is 50,000, right? Still, we have to receive 10,000 from the customer. Posting of part payment received, pay money, transaction code F-28. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DZ. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Under bank data, account is 2,01,101. Business area SSKV. Amount is equal to 10,000. Text being final payment received. Under the open selection, account is 2276. Click on process open items. Click on partial payment tab. Double click on net amount column and payment amount column. Click on save. Now, if you display customer open items, customer line items. See, there are 3 open items, but amount to be received is 0 from the customer, but there are 3 open items. First one is invoice debit. The second one is part payment received, 10,000 credit. Then 50,000 is advance transfer, right? So sum of the debit open items is equal to sum of the credit open items. Now we can clear them in F-32. Clearing of advance and part payment against invoice, F-32. Account is 2276. Click on process open items. Double click on all the line items. Click on save. Then display customer line items, FBL 5L. Customer is 2276. Company code SSKV. Select 2 open items. Opened key date 18/10/2022. Under type, select special GL transactions. Click on execute icon and observe the document status. There is no any open items. Advances, right? Then under type, select normal items. Click on execute. See, under the normal items also, there is no invoices. That's how we can clear invoices and advances when the invoice amount is more than the advance amount. Then, next scenario. When the advance amount is more than the invoice amount. First, let us post one invoice receipt. One advance receipt. Posting of advance receipt. F-29. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DZ. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. currency INR. Under customer, account is 2,101,000. Special G indicator A. Under bank, sorry.
Customer
under
account
customer,
number.
Yes, sorry. Under customer, account is 2277. I'm sorry. Under customer, account is 2277. Under bank, account is 2,101,000. Business area SSKV. The amount is 25,000. Text being advance received. Click on order. See, it is saying that document date and posting date are in different fiscal years. By mistake, I have given the wrong document date. I should do 18/20/20, 18/10/2020. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Text place. Click on save. Then posting of sales invoice. Here the scenario is advance is more than the invoice, means sales invoice is less than the advance. F-22. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DR. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. Currency INR. Posting is 01. Account is 2277. Click on order. The amount is 20,000. Sales invoice amount should be less than the advance amount. Business area SSKV. Payment terms 0001. Baseline date 18/10/2022. Text being goods sold. Posting is 50. The account is 3 lakhs. Click on enter. The amount is asterisk. Business area SSKV. Text plus. Now transfer of advance to invoice. Transfer of advance to sales invoice. F-39. Document date is 18/10/2022. Type is DA. Company code SSKV. Posting date 18/10/2022. Period 7. Period 7. Currency INR. Under customer, the account is 2277. Invoice reference is 6,07,000. Text being advance transfer to invoice. Click on process down payments. Transfer posting 20,000. Transfer posting 20,000. Right down there. When the advance is more than the invoice, when the advance is more than the invoice amount. Then we transfer only that much of advance amount. Only that much of advance amount to the invoice. Then it will be shown as credit to open item. Credit to open item. In the customer line item display. And also, it will be equal to customer invoice debit to open item. Then we can clear them. Then we can clear them in F-32. Then, full stop. Then, the remaining amount of advance. Then, the remaining amount of advance. Then, the remaining amount of advance will be shown as a balance in the special GL account of customer. Special GL account of customer. And that can be adjusted against the future invoices. Click on Save. Now, clearing of advance against invoice, F-32. The account is 2277. Click on process to open items. Double click on both the line items. This is invoice posted previously. Click on then display customer line items, FBL51. Customer is 2276. Company code SSKV.
2277, sir.
I'm sorry. Customer account is 2277. Company code is SSKV. Select to open items. Opened key date 18/10/2022. Under type, select to special GL transactions. Click on execute and observe the document status. See here, original amount of advance received is 25,000. Adjusted against the invoice is 20,000. So still there is a 5,000 balance. This special GL balance of 5,000 that is advance can be adjusted later on. Click on back arrow. Select to normal items. Click on execute. See, this is the old invoice. Today post invoice 20,000 is clear, right? Then one-time customers. Before one-time customers, right? One topic is missing in the material, right? That is noted items. In the case of account receivable, that noted items you have to completely take the notes, right? That we will see in tomorrow's class. Any questions?
Sir, this is Joshna, sir.
Come,
Sir, in the old topic, in the recurring when I am creating the recurring document, I have given settlement period as a 1/4/2022 to 31st March 2025, sir.
okay.
I want to change that period. Is it possible to change, sir?
Yes.
Uh,
FBD2, right?
Sir,
What is your document number?
30,001, sir.
Company code?
KON 1, sir.
Go to menu view, recurring entry data. Okay?
Okay, sir.
It is not existing.
Okay, sir. I might have deleted.
Yeah, it is
30,000.
possible. Go to menu view, display
Yes, sir.
recurring entry data. There you can change the next run date and also frequency you can change.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you search in that screen, you can understand, right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.